understanding, close-knit team, enhancing teamwork and unity. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and important phrase in English: close-knit team. This phrase is often used in both professional and personal contexts, and understanding its meaning can greatly help in appreciating the dynamics of teamwork. Let's dive in. Close-knit team refers to a group of people who work very closely together. They are not just colleagues or acquaintances. They share a strong bond, much like a family. In a close-knit team, members support each other, communicate effectively, and work towards common goals with a sense of unity and commitment. Teamwork and collaboration. In a close-knit team, there is a high level of teamwork and collaboration. Team members often work seamlessly together, combining their skills and strengths to achieve better results. Strong communication. Effective and open communication is key in a close-knit team. Members feel comfortable sharing ideas, giving feedback, and discussing challenges. Mutual support. There's a strong sense of mutual support. Team members are there for each other, both professionally and personally, creating a supportive work environment. Shared goals and values. A close-knit team often shares common goals and values. This alignment helps in driving the team towards its objectives with a unified approach. Improved performance. With everyone working together effectively, the team's overall performance improves. Enhanced job satisfaction. Being part of a close-knit team can lead to greater job satisfaction, as team members feel valued and supported. Better problem solving. A close-knit team can solve problems more efficiently due to diverse perspectives and collaborative efforts. Stronger relationships. Working in such an environment fosters stronger personal and professional relationships, which can be fulfilling on many levels. Being part of a close-knit team is not just about working together. It's about building a small community within your workplace or group. It fosters a sense of belonging, improves collaboration, and ultimately leads to better outcomes. We hope this video helps you understand and appreciate the beauty and efficiency of being part of a close-knit team. Remember, a team that works well together succeeds together. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.